more and more expenses. In the next 20 years, there are lot of changes take place in the name of development. Now everything is done with the help of machines, tractors, and without cows and buffaloes. And without cows and buffalo, there was no cow dung to be used in the fields as fertilizers. So Hasmukh Bhai had to buy expensive fertilizers. The new kind of seeds were such that crops were easily affected by harmful insects. So medicine had to be sprayed on the crops to keep away the insects. Oh, what a bad smell these had and how expensive they were. So students, as you have seen, now people are buying seeds from the market which are prone to diseases and which also attract insects, for which they have to spray medicines, pesticides, and also they have to use fertilizers which are made in factories, and all these things are to be bought from the market. So lot of expenses are added to the crops. The canal water was not enough for the new crops. All the farmers used pumps to lift water from deep under the ground. To meet all these expenses, loans had to be taken from the bank. Whatever little profit was made was used to repay the loan. So Hasmukh Bhai had to buy seeds, then he had to buy the things which are required to grow the crops, that is fertilizers, medicines, pesticides. Then he has to pay the bill of electricity also. To meet all these expenses, he had to take loan from the bank because the crop is not enough to meet all the expenses. And to pay the loan, he had to sacrifice all the little profit he has made from the crop. But there was little profit. Everyone was growing cotton, so the cotton prices were not high as before. The soil itself was no longer the same. Growing the same crop over and over and using so many chemicals had affected the soil so much that now nothing could grow well there. It was becoming difficult to earn a living by farming alone. As the competition increased, every farmer is growing the same crop, that is of cotton, because it has a better price in the market. So when everybody grow the same crop, the market is overloaded with the same type of crop, and as the supply is more, then demand become less and the crop will get a less price. So now farmers are making less profit than earlier, and that little profit is consumed in paying the loan. Due to all these reasons, farming is become very difficult now, and it is very difficult to earn their living by farming alone. So they had to see some more option to earn the living. Hasmukh too changed with the times. He is often tense and angry most of the time. His educated son Paresh did not want to do farming. He now started work as a truck driver. Earlier, Hasmukh used to be Hasmukh, but now he used to be angry every time because of the tension created by all these loans and expenses. And his son Paresh also not want to do the farming because farming is not a profitable job these days. So now he started work as a truck driver. After all, the bank loan still had to be repaid. Often Paresh doesn't come home for days because he was a truck driver and truck used to go longer distance for transportation and he used to be away from home for more days. Often Paresh doesn't come home for days. At times he is away for a week. 2 days back when he came home, Paresh started looking for something. But he asked his mother, "Where is Dadaji's wooden seed box? It will be useful to keep the screws and tools for the truck." And 2 days back when Paresh come back to home, he was looking for that wooden box. Which wooden box? The wooden box in which these bajra seeds and other seeds were kept for many years by Damji Bhai. Now Paresh want that wooden box for keeping his tools and screws of the truck. Now do you understand why this bajra seed was telling his story and why he was saying that if I don't tell today, it will be too late? So that was the reason that he was telling his story today.